In this video, what is this? Oh! Can we please eat the cake now? I'm starving. Cake. Smoothies. Chair. Slide. It's so hard to push all these presents. Presents are all in the way. Make sure to like and subscribe. Don't forget. Okay, my hand is gonna cover your body and your soul if you don't like and subscribe. So yeah, like and subscribe. Or else my hand will slap you. Okay. Last present. It's hide behind a tree because it's special present. This way. I feel like you're leading me somewhere that is a trap. No, come here, this way. Okay. Wow, my birthday party. I completely forgot it was my birthday. How could you forget? It's your special day. I mean, I forgot it, but then over here, it's so exciting! Well, look, my friend is coming. Yep, I'm here too, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and ride this unicorn over here. It's the best. Whoops. Yeah. Ooh, this yellow guy's so much fun to play on. Oopsie. Him. Mommy. Okay, girlies. Oops, my ink. Here you go, mommy. Thanks. We don't need that ring right now. Okay, so let's take you on a tour. So stuff. This is the kids' table with two little clear chairs. And then that's the adult table. Don't worry, all those sweet treats will be passed to the kids' table. And then this is the milkshake stand with someone here. Hey, get up! I'm just tired because there's a birthday party early in the morning. And also my drink fell. It's supposed to be right here. Yeah. So yeah. And there's a big jumbo slide with a foam pit. So I hope you guys have fun. Of course we'll have fun. What are we waiting for? Let's get started. Oh geez, I got a little cough there. Let's go. La 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 la. Put that down. No need for that to be there. Okay, I'm gonna climb up the slide. I'm gonna climb slide. Yeah, make sure to like and subscribe, like that lady said. There, now there's room in the pit. Wee. Yeah. Ah, it's so cozy inside here. I'm so happy it's my birthday today. wanna get the for no reason. That just happened. I swear I paused it, so don't worry. Too many mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes sometimes. So let's get the pizzas. Pizzas are pretty hard to carry. So don't worry about that. Okay, get the pizza started. Yep, pizza party started. So extra pizza. Oops, throw in the foam pit. Okay. Let's put it on the pizza table. Everybody enjoy your meals. Smell the delicious pizza coming. Come on, birthday girl, come here. I can smell the food so greatly. Okay. Huh? Smoothies, I forgot. Yum, smoothies. What smoothie would you like? I would like a pink bottle smoothie. Right up. So great, it's delicious. Let's go down with my feet. Yeah, everyone give us smoothies. They taste delicious. Refreshing. Ooh. Cake. Yummy. Cake and cupcakes are after. I have an extra slice. Pizza if you want to. Okay. Okay. Smoothies though. Now get out of the way. Smoothie. What smoothie do I want? What smoothie do you want? Out of all of them, I would like to pick have fresh water. I'll get fresh water. Oops, my fresh water. Come on, birthday girl, get out of the foam pit. We have to go eat. Okay, it's just so much fun being in the foam pit. Delicious. Let's get on our seats. Well, I don't have any pizza. Oh. Don't worry, we have an extra pizza. We go get the extra pizza. Yikes. Hey, I got the extra pizza. Yeah, go ahead. Okay, I get to sit on one of the big girl tables. Yeah. But it's better sitting on the floor. It's better sitting on the table. Because a big girl table means I'm a big girl. Well, I guess. I'm sitting on a small table. Let's see you here. This is great. I know, right? That one has to be delicious. The meal was delicious. okay, we'll clean it up after the birthday party. Yeah. Okay, thanks. Okay. Well, I'm not. I'm cake time. Yeah. You must be so stuffed with pizza that you mess up your words. True. Yeah. So, cake time. Let's just eat. Wait. 3, 2, 1, go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Madeline. Happy birthday to you. Honestly, I think that was a great job. Yay, let's go eat our snacks. After they eat their snacks, everyone round up for present time. Present time. Yay. I'll tell you who there is, okay? So this is gonna go ahead and be Lindsay's. I'm a coolest. Yep, Lindsay. It might be a coolest gift. I don't know. Okay. Let's open it up. What's this? I love these McDonald's boxes too. Yeah, we do that. A new lunchbox. Cool. Amazing. Thanks, Lindsay. But not. There's something else. Get out. Little cute little overall outfit. It's so cute. Huh? I know. I try. Okay, next present. This present, wait. This present is from Chelsea. Hope you like it. Oh, I bet I will. What is this? It's super big. Whoa, it's a big, giant, squishmallow penguin stuffy. It's so cool. Thanks. Welcome. What else is inside? What's a new pencil box? Thank you. And a sketch pad. Thank you. Welcome. This one is from the lady who gave us all smoothies. Yep, I planned birthday presents too. What it is? What's that? Feels fuzzy. Feels. Wow, a new pen. This pen is definitely the best. I have the coolest pen. Can't wait to bring it to school. I'm glad you like it. Okay, we're gonna take this. A car. This is my niece. Thank you so much. So cool. It's a car. I love cars. Rub. Let's open this up. What gift is this? Is this? What? Emotional damage. Can't believe you fell for that. Not mannequins. Funny that you said emotional moment. What is that? Why am I laughing? That's not funny. Forget it. Say sorry. Okay, fine. I'll say sorry. Okay.
24-hour service.
Yeah, so. Best birthday party for